We're gonna have to pull off! No! Stay on mission! You're taking us in! We must have drifted! I can't see the landmark!
You heard the lieutenant! Full speed!
Incoming! Hold tight! God damn it! 200 yards! 20 seconds! Same plan! Get to the seawall!
Completon, James, get the Bangalore to the wire! Fast! Everybody ready! Here we go!
Drop the ramp! There's no cover!
That was an order, goddammit! Drop it!
Over the side! Get your head down and keep moving! Daniel! On me! Take the Bangalore and get to the seawall! We have a clear path to the bunker! Daniels! This is what you trained for! Now pick up that banger! You can do this! Yes, sir! Oh, Jesus! Daniels, this way! Hurry!
Hurry before they reload! Move it! Private Daniels, get to the seawall!
I'll meet you there! Those MPs are killing us! Get off the beach! Daniels, get the Bangalore!
Now go breach that wire!
Daniels! Use the banger! I'll cover you! After we breach, keep pushing towards the bunker! We're almost there! Pull it! Pull it! Fire the hole! Come on! Weapons ready! Attack! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Push forward! Into the truck! Hurry! That wound looks bad. Here, take this. Thanks, bud. He's down. All right, here we go. Hold tight! have to get to the bunkers!
Marking the target area!
Ain't nothing left! Get to the top! Daniels, I need you and Zussman to take point and clear those bunkers. Go!
Press forward!
Right behind you!
Sehr tight Aktivität! That's on the way! Bin leer, lade nach! Kontakt, 12 Uhr!
Cracker dug in! Daniel, get a grenade in that bunker! Lob it a grenade!